Alright guys, this has been a fantastic Sunday, hanging out with my boy, Don.
Enjoy having you along.
Thank you, I appreciate it. I enjoy riding with you guys. It makes me feel good because when I'm your age, I don't have to have any excuses saying that I can't do it. Hanging with my boy Chris. So I'm going to be riding the StreetFighter V4S, and we're going to be taking this thing on some sweet roads, and woo! Oh yeah, baby! Rock and roll! Damn! So Chris is riding the RS660 now. Oh man, this thing is a handful. But it sounds so good with that Akrapovic, Acro Ping Pong, I don't care what it's called. It sounds damn delicious. Considering that I just came from the RS660 and now I'm riding this one, man, this also feels very light. I thought this was going to feel a lot heavier. And I'm in the proper mode right now. I'm riding in race mode. Man, that upshift sounds delicious. Damn, I love how this bike handles. I love the way it feels. It's got a slight vibration as soon as you twist the throttle, but that only means it has got 200 plus horsepower, my man. The quick shifter on this thing is so butter smooth, man. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Ooh, that upshift sounded delicious. You just can't get bored of that. Alright, I think we reached our lunch location. I'm gonna pull over here, get some lunch, and then be on our ways.
3 hours later.
Alright, we just finished lunch. And we got the bikes here. So Chris is riding the RS660, Don's got the MT10, and I got the StreetFighter. Now we're going to be taking this up Palomar Mountain, going up the fast side and then coming down the super twisty side. I'm super excited to give this bad boy the full beans effect. Alright, taking the fast side of Palomar. Let's get going. So, the wheelie control was set to number 2, but I reduced it to number 1 because I want to see if I can lift up the wheel on this baby by giving it a good fistful of throttle and seeing what happens. Now I understand that it's got these 2 wings on each side. 2 wings on this side, 2 wings on this side, but that's only supposed to work after doing a reasonable amount of speed. It doesn't work when you're going as fast as I am right now, which is about 55 miles an hour. Alright, here we go. Woohoo! Surprisingly, this bike feels very light and agile. That was a nice R1. Woo! Damn! Of course, cars in front of us again. What the hell? This fucking thing is a rocket! God! And I'm in race mode too. Full power, baby. Let's go! This thing pulls like a freaking rocket, man. Holy mackerel. The bike has got so much power, but it is so easy to manage, man. This thing handles so brilliantly around these turns. And it's got a lot of braking power. Wow. Earlier today I rode the RS660 and I wouldn't brake this hard with that. But this gives you a lot of confidence, man. When you're going fast and then you need to brake very quickly, oh, there's definitely a lot of braking potential left on this thing. I'm barely scratching the surface. Chris, finally riding the RS660. Boy, this bike is a lot of fun to ride. I love how the exhaust sounds. I love how this thing has got so much low end and high end for that matter. This thing is like a rocket ship past 8,000 RPM through a stratospheric 14,500 RPMs on this baby. And let's not forget, this thing handles like a dream. Since you've been watching till now, congrats. Thank you. Woohoo! And give the video a massive like. Smash it, baby. Damn, I love how this thing spits when it goes up in gears. It sounds so visceral. Sensational sounds this bike makes. In case you guys are wondering, it's about 45 degrees out here. Cold. My wind visor is fogging up, but the bike doesn't care. It doesn't know it's 20 degrees or 100. Well, maybe it does actually. The tires could be cold and I wouldn't know it. Damn, my fingers are freezing! Why doesn't this motorcycle have heated grips? It so needs it. Alright, now this is getting super technical. This is where this motorcycle requires all of your attention. Look at the patches of snow up there. Woo. Damn. These roads are so bumpy, but surprisingly, this is a comfortable bike to ride. Even in these bumpy roads. The suspension is pretty much handling all the bumps. Damn, 41 degrees right now. What? No wonder my fingertips are freezing. Feels like little icicles on my fingertips. And I have to keep my visor open just a little bit, or else it's gonna fog up. I don't think I've ever ridden a motorcycle in this kind of cold temperature before. This is crazy. Surprisingly, my body is pretty warm. My hands and my fingers, that's the only thing that's cold. So there you have it. How does a Ducati StreetFighter V4S handle in 40-degree weather up mountains, hauling ass? I hope this gives you the answer you're looking for. Damn, these roads are amazing though. Super technical. It's like being on a mini racetrack. Whoa, what am I saying mini? This is like full on. How many miles is this?
Later.
Alright guys, my GoPro for some reason freezed up there because it got super cold and I think it didn't want to record anymore. This StreetFighter V4S sounds incredible and it's a whole lot of fun to ride. Damn, she's got a lot of power. Before we actually started riding, I toned down the wheelie control, but I tried to give this thing a handful of throttle, so I expected the wheel to go up at least a little bit, but actually it didn't. The wheel pretty much stayed exactly where it was, and It didn't go up at all, not even one bit. But it's a whole lot of fun to ride. It sounds incredible because it's got the full Acura exhaust on it. Check that out. And it also has BST rims, and so it's very lightweight, very flickable into the corners. The front end feels very, very light, but overall fantastic bike. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Give it a massive like, and also subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys on the next episode. Take care. Ciao for now.